Hi friends. Let me take you on an exciting journey into the heart of Stoicism and introduce you to Stoic philosophy. Please support me by subscribing to this channel and liking the content. Also, share your thoughts with me in the form of comments. Ways to rebuild your life in a week based on Stoic principles. Introduction. Rebuilding my life in a week through Stoic principles begins with embracing resilience and clarity. First, I focus on what I can control, setting clear goals and prioritizing actions that align with my values. Stoicism teaches me to accept past mistakes gracefully, learning from them without dwelling on regret. By practicing mindfulness and staying present, I foster a positive mindset that fuels growth and transformation. I cultivate discipline in my daily routines, ensuring each action contributes to my progress. Through self-reflection and seeking wisdom from Stoic teachings, I navigate challenges with courage and purpose. This approach empowers me to rebuild my life in a week, harnessing the power of Stoicism to achieve meaningful change and lasting fulfillment. Number 1. Prioritize self-improvement. In rebuilding my life within a week using Stoic principles, prioritizing self-improvement is paramount. Stoicism teaches me to focus on developing my character and virtues, rather than external achievements alone. By dedicating time each day to self-reflection and growth, I commit to becoming the best version of myself. This involves setting realistic goals that challenge me to expand my skills and knowledge. Stoic philosophy emphasizes continuous learning and adapting to new circumstances with resilience and determination. I start by identifying areas for improvement and taking small, actionable steps towards my goals. This might involve learning a new skill, reading insightful books, or practicing mindfulness to enhance my emotional well-being. By prioritizing self-improvement, I cultivate inner strength and confidence, which are essential in overcoming life's challenges. Stoicism encourages me to embrace discomfort as a pathway to growth, knowing that each setback is an opportunity for learning and refinement. Ultimately, by focusing on self-improvement, I build a solid foundation for lasting personal transformation and fulfillment. Number 2. Limit distractions. In my journey to rebuild my life in a week through Stoic principles, limiting distractions plays a crucial role. Stoicism teaches me to focus on what truly matters and avoid unnecessary diversions that hinder progress. By consciously reducing distractions such as excessive social media, mindless browsing, or idle gossip, I reclaim valuable time and mental energy. This allows me to channel my efforts towards meaningful activities that align with my goals and values. Practicing mindfulness is a key aspect of limiting distractions in Stoic philosophy. By staying present in the moment and cultivating awareness of my thoughts and actions, I can better control external influences that may pull me away from my objectives. Stoicism encourages me to prioritize clarity of mind and disciplined attention, fostering a sense of purpose and productivity in my daily pursuits. By limiting distractions, I create a conducive environment for personal growth and transformation. This includes organizing my workspace, setting boundaries with technology, and engaging in activities that promote focus and concentration. Through these practices, I enhance my ability to stay resilient and focused on rebuilding my life in alignment with Stoic principles. Number 3. Maintain a journal. In my quest to rebuild my life using Stoic principles, maintaining a journal is a powerful tool. Stoicism emphasizes self-reflection and introspection, and keeping a journal allows me to track my progress, thoughts, and emotions with clarity. By documenting my daily experiences, challenges, and insights, I gain a deeper understanding of myself and my journey. Writing in a journal helps me apply Stoic teachings practically. It allows me to analyze situations from a rational perspective, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate achievements, no matter how small. This practice encourages mindfulness and enhances my ability to stay focused on my goals amidst life's uncertainties. Moreover, journaling serves as a repository of wisdom. I can revisit past entries to draw inspiration, learn from past mistakes, and reaffirm my commitment to Stoic values such as resilience, virtue, and wisdom. By integrating journaling into my daily routine, I cultivate a habit of self-awareness and continuous self-improvement, essential components in rebuilding my life based on Stoic principles. Number 4. Exercise regularly. To rebuild my life in a week through Stoic principles, regular exercise plays a pivotal role. Stoicism teaches that a sound mind resides in a sound body, emphasizing the importance of physical health in achieving inner tranquility. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves my physical well-being, but also enhances my mental resilience and clarity. By committing to a consistent exercise routine, whether it's jogging, yoga, or weightlifting, I align myself with Stoic values of discipline and self-control. Exercise serves as a daily practice of endurance and perseverance, qualities that Stoics value highly in navigating life's challenges. Moreover, physical activity acts as a natural stress reliever, helping me manage anxiety and maintain a positive outlook. It fosters a sense of accomplishment and boosts my confidence, reinforcing my commitment to Stoic principles of living virtuously and in harmony with nature. Incorporating regular exercise into my daily life not only supports my physical health, but also strengthens my mental fortitude, enabling me to rebuild and thrive based on Stoic teachings. Number 5. Strengthen relationships. In rebuilding my life through Stoic principles, strengthening relationships is paramount. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of virtue and social harmony, highlighting that meaningful connections with others contribute to our overall well-being and resilience. To apply this in my life, I focus on practicing empathy, kindness, and understanding in my interactions with others. By nurturing positive relationships, I cultivate a support network that aligns with Stoic values of justice and community. This involves actively listening to others, offering support, and maintaining open communication. Stoic philosophy also encourages me to accept others as they are, focusing on what I can control my own actions and reactions. This approach fosters mutual respect and helps me navigate conflicts or misunderstandings with equanimity and grace. By prioritizing relationships and investing in meaningful connections, I not only enhance my social bonds but also align my actions with Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, and moderation. This enables me to rebuild my life with a strong foundation rooted in supportive and fulfilling relationships. Conclusion. In just a week, embracing Stoic principles has transformed my life. Prioritizing self-improvement, limiting distractions, maintaining a journal, exercising regularly, and strengthening relationships have been pivotal. These practices foster resilience, clarity, and a deeper sense of purpose. By focusing on what I control and aligning my actions with Stoic virtues, I found renewed strength and determination. Embracing this philosophy isn't just a change, it's a journey towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life. I hope these Stoic teachings are useful and effective for you. My goal is to make your life better and more enjoyable. I will accompany you in this interesting and meaningful magazine.